Better known as the rainforest of the dragon trees, Maromizaha is a great cradle of biodiversity in the Manga region. Covering an area of 2,150 hectares, it became a new protected area in 2015. It is home to 13 species of lemurs, 25 species of reptiles, and 800 species of nocturnal Lepidoptera, with 70% of the plant species being endemic. Under the management of the Study and Research Group on Primates, GERP, and the co-management with the grassroots communities, or VOI, a result of zero fire was achieved in the years 2018 and 2019. Fire is one of the major challenges of biodiversity conservation in Madagascar. This documentary, product by Forum LAF, directed by Imagu, aims to show how GERP has addressed this challenge, which has made Maromizaha a zero-fire protected area over the past 2 years.
GERP was designated as the manager of Maromizaha by the Malagasy government in 2018, and in this agreement we are co-managing with the grassroots communities. There are currently 3 of them. There are 2,646 inhabitants living around the protected area. They live mainly from agriculture, livestock and charcoal. The role of GERP is, first, the management of natural resources and their protection, and second, the development of the standard of living of the villagers around Maromizaha. In the past, we used to practice slash and burn agriculture, but GERP arrived with alternative projects. They protected the environment and the forest, which are ours, as we live here. We thank them for helping us protect our wealth. They showed us the contour farming, a substitute to slash and burn agriculture. What was wrong with the old practice was the use of fire. Not only did we use fire, but we had to change places every year for better yield. Since we own this rice field, we have been staying here, taking care of this land for our crops. The absence of smoke is one of the great advantages of zero fire, because the bees don't appreciate it. The plants, trees in the field, and their flowers can bloom, so that the bees can come and forage within a large distance. This has a direct impact on their production. In the past, we used to practice slash and burn agriculture and use fire, but now we have stopped that practice. We now use contour farming. We no longer need to burn to clear the land. We cultivate following responsible agriculture standards. The result is palpable, since Maromizaha has known zero wildfire since then. Maromizaha is co-managed with us, the grassroots communities, or VOI. We are very strict with the protection of the forest. Today there is zero use of fire in Maromizaha because we raise awareness within the population and put in place fines to preserve the protected area from external pressure. I was one of those who exploited the forest and made charcoal in the Maromizaha forest. In 2016, I did an internship here. They looked for guides, and I managed to be part of it. Maromizaha has developed a lot, especially in terms of biodiversity conservation, which is a great advantage for our livelihoods.
Zava-dehibe eo amin'ny velon-tenanay mponina aty toerana zany.
I am a patroller in the forest of Maromizaha. Our work consists of patrolling through the forest and raise awareness in villages regarding the negative impacts of some old practices. For the last 2 years, there has been no more illegal logging, no slash and burn agriculture, no illegal charcoal in the forest of Maromizaha. Over the last 5 years, we have seen great results, especially in the biodiversity conservation within the protected area, because at the beginning the forest covered 1,063 hectares. This year, the forest area has grown to 1,228 hectares.
The integration of local stakeholders and grassroots communities in the management of the Maromizaha protected area has enabled the effective conservation of the integrity of its biodiversity.